Welcome to the top picks. The best travel Listerine is probably one of the most essential items to pack for any trip, ensuring you maintain your oral hygiene and fresh breath no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're exploring bustling city streets, relaxing on a remote beach, or attending an important business meeting abroad, having a compact and effective mouthwash solution can significantly boost your confidence and overall well-being. This portable oral care companion is designed to fit seamlessly into your travel routine, offering a convenient way to keep your smile sparkling and your breath pleasant throughout your journey, making it an indispensable part of your travel essentials. Number 5. DEPOZA 16-pack TSA-approved travel bottles kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your all-in-one solution for packing toiletries. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your next trip. Never worry about spills again. Our bottles are TSA approved and feature a leak-proof design to protect your luggage and clothes. Filling and cleaning are a breeze thanks to the wide mouth design. The no-drip valve ensures you dispense just the right amount every time. Bring your favorite beauty products and cosmetics with ease. With a variety of containers, you can customize your travel essentials. Everything is neatly packed in a handy bag, saving space and making it easy to take on the go. Perfect for travel, vacation, or camping. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive solution for all your liquid toiletry needs. Its leak-proof design ensures your belongings stay dry and protected during transit. If you're looking for a versatile kit that minimizes waste and maximizes convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. The Listerine Total Care Mouthwash is a great product that helps to keep your teeth and gums healthy. It has a refreshing mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. The formula is designed to kill germs that cause bad breath, plaque, and gingivitis, providing a comprehensive oral care solution. Number 4. GuruNanda Concentrated Mouthwash. Discover the power of GuruNanda Concentrated Mouthwash for a truly refreshing experience. It's designed to support your oral hygiene routine effectively. Enjoy up to 300 rinses with just one bottle, ensuring long-lasting freshness. This concentrated formula is your key to a cleaner mouth. Infused with natural essential oils, it provides an invigorating mint flavor. Feel the natural goodness with every use. Our fluoride-free formula is gentle yet effective for your daily oral care. It supports healthy gums and fresh breath without harsh chemicals. This 2 fluid ounces bottle is perfectly sized for convenience and travel. Take your fresh breath on the go with this concentrated solution. Support your journey to a brighter smile and fresher breath. It's the simple, natural choice for your daily oral care needs. What we like? Experience long-lasting fresh breath with this highly concentrated mouthwash. It provides an incredible number of uses from a small bottle, making it incredibly economical. If you prioritize natural ingredients and a compact, efficient oral care solution for your travels, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I love the design and features of this product. The product has many useful functions. Number 3. Brushee Disposable Travel Toothbrush. Introducing Brushee, the revolutionary disposable toothbrush designed for your busy life. It's your complete oral care solution, all in one convenient package. Enjoy a refreshing burst of mint with every use. This pre-pasted toothbrush is ready to go whenever you are, making oral hygiene effortless. Experience the ultimate convenience with its 4-in-1 design. It effectively brushes, flosses, picks, and comes with built-in paste, simplifying your routine. The soft bristles provide a gentle yet effective clean for your teeth and gums. It's designed for comfort and optimal oral health. Each toothbrush is individually wrapped, ensuring maximum hygiene and freshness. Perfect for on-the-go use, travel, or keeping in your gym bag. Its thoughtful design makes it ideal for those with braces or aligners. Achieve a thorough clean with ease, even in hard-to-reach areas. What we like? Simplify your oral hygiene routine on the go with this all-in-one disposable toothbrush. It conveniently combines brushing, flossing, and picking with built-in paste. If you need a quick and easy way to maintain dental hygiene, especially if you wear braces or aligners, this is perfect for you. What people say. The Listerine Total Care Zero Alcohol Mouthwash is a great option for those looking for a less intense flavor. It effectively cleans and freshens your mouth without the burn of alcohol-based rinses. This mouthwash also helps to prevent cavities and strengthen enamel, making it a good choice for overall oral health. Number 2. Tide to Go Pen, Instant Stain Remover. Life happens, and stains are inevitable. But with this powerful stain remover pen, you can tackle fresh stains on the spot, anytime, anywhere. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for your purse, car, or travel bag. Keep it handy for those unexpected spills. Simply rub the stain with the pen's tip to lift it away. It's an easy and effective way to keep your clothes looking their best. This versatile stain remover works on a variety of fabrics, making it a go-to solution for everyday accidents. Don't let stains ruin your day. This essential tool is always ready to help you maintain a clean and polished appearance. Get a convenient pack of 5 pens, ensuring you always have one within reach. It's the smart choice for busy individuals. What we like? Tackle unexpected spills and stains immediately with this powerful spot remover. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere, ensuring you always look your best. If you're prone to spills or want peace of mind knowing you can quickly clean up messes, this is an essential item for your bag. What people say. The Listerine Total Care Zero Alcohol Mouthwash is a great option for those who want a fresh, clean feeling without the burn of alcohol. It effectively kills germs that cause bad breath, plaque, and gingivitis, helping to maintain good oral hygiene. The mint flavor is refreshing and leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. Number 1. Mini Mint Travel Mouthwash Packets, 30-pack. Introducing our travel-sized mouthwash packets. Perfect for maintaining fresh breath wherever your day takes you. These mini packets are designed for ultimate portability. Easily fit them in your pocket, purse, or travel bag. Enjoy a gentle yet effective clean with our alcohol and fluoride-free formula. It's kind to your mouth and suitable for daily use. Worried about packing liquids? These individually wrapped packets are TSA-friendly, making your travel smoother. Each packet is sealed for freshness and hygiene. Grab one and go for a quick refresh at the office or on the move. Never be without fresh breath again. This 30-pack ensures you have a convenient solution for travel, work, and everyday life. What we like? Enjoy fresh breath anytime, anywhere with these convenient mini mouthwash packets. They are perfect for discreet use at the office, after meals, or during long journeys. If you prefer a gentle, alcohol-free option and need a portable solution for maintaining oral freshness, these packets are ideal. What people say. The Listerine Total Care Zero Alcohol Mouthwash is a great option for those who want a fresh and clean feeling without the burn of alcohol. It effectively removes plaque and prevents cavities, leaving your mouth feeling healthy and protected. The mint flavor is refreshing and long-lasting, making it a pleasant addition to your daily oral hygiene routine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.